Welcome to the in front of me TCL 30, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. Now as can you see how just set it up the same wallpaper as on our device home screen. And just to change the wallpaper, we should go into the settings application. Then just one moment please. I'll just do the smaller brightness level on this by this way. And after that, just here click to the home screen and lock screen section, and you'll see here the first section of what the wallpapers. Here we can select our new device screen from our regular, the default wallpapers, or also from our device photos previously taken or just downloaded from the internet, for example. And for example, I'll go with the regular default wallpapers. For example, I'll set this one. So here we can see the home screen, and if we'll just touch once the screen here, we'll just see how this wallpaper will just look on our device lock screen. And after that, just click here on the right down corner to done. Wait a second, now we can see the message that the wallpaper applied. And as can you see, we just successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. By the same way, we can just change the lock screen wallpaper. I think that's a little bit faster way, so you should just hold for a while your device screen. Here on the left down corner, tap on the wallpapers, and you'll just launch the same wallpaper settings. For example, this one. Now just select one from these wallpapers, for example this one. Again, here tap to preview on the lock screen. Click here to done on the right down corner, and now we can see the result. And as can you see, we just also successfully changed our device lock screen wallpaper. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.